With AMDANI Conwy, we try to make volunteering as accessible and inclusive as possible. We have over 70 volunteers so far, but there's never too many volunteers because we have lots of different opportunities from museums, galleries, libraries, festivals and community events.
The social model is a way of understanding disability that was created by disabled people, and it tells us that people are disabled by barriers in society and not by their impairments or conditions. The social model disability underpins how AMDANI works, and we focus a lot of our energy into offering additional support to enable volunteers to get involved and have experiences they otherwise wouldn't have had access to. With the access support for volunteers, we hope to create a programme which values all people and their lived experiences to transform the cultural and voluntary sector. We've done this by creating resources, training around access and inclusion, providing interpreters and personal assistants, and we've even worked with artists to collaborate with our volunteers on cultural projects across the county.
I've been volunteering since April 2024. I wanted to fill my days with something constructive.
It's more than I expected. I'm with a group of nice people, and they cater for people with all types of needs.
O'n i eisiau gwirfoddoli pan eisiau ymddeol, a dwi'n modd dwi jyst yn cyfarfod gymaint o wahanol pobl a neu wahanol bethau. A dwi'n meddwl bod fi'n gael mwy allan ar y fyna dwi'n rhaid i fewn, neu gwir.
I retired about 20 months ago. Came home one day thinking, oh, is this it? Is there nothing left? And then volunteers for this, and I, for one, have not looked back and enjoying it.
I work in events and festivals during the summer, and then the winter when I get back there's nothing on, so I thought I'd give my time for things I enjoy in the town I like. I live and love Colwyn Bay. You can be as visible or as in the background as much as you want. It's just a great way to come out and meet people and be useful.
Volunteering is great. Get to learn a lot of things as well, and it keeps you motivated, and all the staff are good from AMDANI because they don't never let you down or leave you out, so that helps a lot too. It's helped me from my anxiety as well. So
my role involves working with the organisation, so as we call them, volunteer hosts, and our volunteers to develop accessible volunteering opportunities and basically helping structure things to be more inclusive.
We've been working with AMDANI over the last couple of years. It's been a real privilege. It's just been so great to have people in these supported opportunities in a range of cultural settings. So we've had regular volunteers in our libraries, in our archives, and at events like Winter Sounds, which has just been really, really great.
It's been excellent working with AMDANI. I think what AMDANI bring to us is a kind of extra element. So it's great to be able to be working with their group of volunteers. It's great to be giving them an opportunity to try something different, but it's also been great for us to have that experience of working with volunteers who are from outside of the village with different skills and different experiences. So it's been great.
Our volunteers don't just get the benefits from volunteering and giving it their time. We also arrange trips out for our volunteers using their Tempo Time credit. So we're at Bodmin Garden today with 13 of our volunteers, and this is just one of the rewards we give our volunteers.
Volunteering for me is a lifeline. Without volunteering, I think it would be sort of a day-to-day struggle.
It just feels so welcoming to be able to have the privilege of a group to provide something like this.
Everyone you meet is helpful, is warm, welcoming.
I know it's hard to different reasons, but it's one of the most important bits of your life is independence.
I would recommend it to anyone.